Imagine if I put this my hair. Hey toasters, it's me Tiffany Taylor, and today we're gonna be opening Lucky Fortune Magic Series. And I'm so excited because this one in this window, changes colors. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. But wait, make sure to follow me on Instagram. This is it right here. Now, let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. It has little windows so you can see the Lucky Fortune. It comes with some nail stickers, and that's how many nail stickers there are. And it says that it comes with 1 scrunchie, 2 stickers, and 4 Lucky Fortune bracelets. Mystery, 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 mystery. Let's get started. Okay. Oh. Look. We got it. Oh, well, here's the 1 scrunchie. 2. A scrunchie and avocado with some glasses. Ooh, here are a butterfly, sisters! It's a butterfly! And I think it's gonna be a slice of bread. A camera! Look at that camera! Ooh. What is this? I could tell it is a taco? Okay, it's covering the way. Ooh, an avocado. And the other rainbow sticker. Can you rub it like the heart? No. Ooh, and here are they're so tiny. Here are the nail stickers though. But these still look pretty cool. I like the star and the moon. I like all of them. These are all the bracelets I got. My favorite one is the camera. Here's the charm bracelet that I got, and it changes color. I got these nail stickers. They're pretty small. That's okay. Let's try some on. So first I'm gonna do is the star. Get off. These are pretty small. You gotta be very careful. Okay. It's getting wrinkled. At least. I think. Okay, I'll do something else. The egg looks pretty good. Oh god. Okay, I'll put it on my thumb. There's one, a wrinkled one. Hello, my name is Eggy, the wrinkled one. Okay, I'll just get the flower. No, I'll get the glasses. No, the hamburger. They're all so cute, I can't decide. Oh look, this one came out perfect. No! Okay. Okay, upside down hamburger with eggy. They're so cute! Maybe I like the clouds, but I don't want to use them up. Check out the stickers I got. I got this cute avocado. And this cute little rainbow. It's cute avocado and cute rainbow. Aren't these so cute? But I don't know where I should put them. This water bottle needs more stickers. But before we do that, let's put on our lucky scrunchie with Eggie. I think this magic series is pretty cool because it comes with all these bracelets. And I like that it came with this scrunchie. You know what? I think I see something. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It went over there to the wires. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Woo!